So, guys, hi to everyone. Here we are. On the live stream. So, we waiting for everyone to join and we will start our live stream as usual today. So guys. Yeah, wait a second. We waiting for everyone to join. Yeah, it's me. Okay. Hi, all. Here is a Christian from Germany, Frankfurt. Hi, I think I remember you. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Madame. I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, guys, as usual, you can text where are you from because I always ask my subscribers about this. So it's just interesting to know. I'm here, Lisa. Okay, hello. I like this kind of the vibe. So, again, I'm drinking something just in the middle of the live stream, but what can I do? I will just turn off the package of the bottle so it's not going to be the ad. And sorry guys, because I'm talking too much, so I need to, So. How are you guys? How are you? Today, I'm going to show you some trading strategies. And first of all, we will start with some easy one. I will open here a sell trade for $50 down for 2 minutes. So here we have actually two choices and two results of this trade. It could go higher, as you can see now. It could go higher and we will not close this trade, of course. And it's going to be just a support level and that's it. But at the same time, it could go lower. And as we can see, because it already break the support level here. It already broke the support level, so that's why I opened here a trade. Also on all of the indicators that we had, parabolic SAR, we see this 5 grain points is above our chart and moving from top to bottom, so this is the first signal. Then from the super trend, we also can see it's giving us the sell signal here. On the momentum indicator, we also can see that all the last pin bars is red, so we still have a time for this candle to reverse. Let's just wait. We also could do a rollover and just extend the time of our trade, but let's just wait. If not, we will just open the other trade. We can see it's a red candle appears, so we have 50 seconds till the end of the trade, so it could close. And also on the MACD indicator, when we open the trade here, we can see that it was a red pin bars here as well. Now we can see 2 last pin bars is green, but this is just because of this candle. So all of the signals, all of the indicators when we were opening a trade were telling us to open a sell signal, right? Even though it's a support level or something. Anyway, situation could be different, and sometime it could go just in a different direction and you cannot even predict that, because all of the analyze and everything is telling you to open a sell trade, right? But boom, and it's just going up without no reason. But actually they have a reason here, because it already achieved the support level, even went a bit lower. So yeah, we didn't close this trade, so we're gonna open a catch up. So as you can see, I'm always showing you, guys, the truth, how it's actually working. I'm not trying to, oh, guys, this is the, perfect strategy that work absolutely for everyone or something. So here I opened another signal for $100 already, up for 4 minutes. I decided to open it for 4 minutes because here we can see it's the reversal started after some downward movement. And we can see, by the way, here, right? It was a downward movement, then some just straight movement. No upward, no downward, but at the same time, this is not the absence of trend, not absolutely absence of trend, because if it's flat, it's going for a long time. But here it was for a really short time. So when you see something like this, when the candles is just moving in one rectangle, it could mean that really soon is going to be a strong reversal. So I also opened the previous trade down, because here we can see that after this straight movement of all of the candles, it was a pretty good downward movement here. Let me also show it to you here. It was some pretty strong downward movement for 3, 4, even 4 candles. So that's why I opened a trade down as well, because after this kind of the straight movements of the candles, it's usually a reversal up or down, and pretty strong one. So but here it changed a little bit, so it achieved its support level, even broke it for a bit, and now it's reversing up. But at the same time, it could reverse. It could also just like, go straight right now like this, because as we can see, it's not really strong upward movement. Like we can see a red candle here right now. So the market is fluctuate a lot, and here's so many things that you should think about and analyze to get a profit. So that's why it's not the easy thing, of course. But anyway, Lisa, this currency pair isn't being shown on pocket option. So I had this kind of the questions from you guys, and it turns out that some of the currency pair you don't see because you have a halal account. If I'm right, how to pronounce it, right? Like Muslim account, something like this. I'm not really sure. I'm sorry, but just because of this, you don't see some currency pairs. So you should just turn it off, and you will see it. Or, for example, you have a dem account. And on some of the dem account, like you don't see some currency pair that you have in real account. This is the point. Hi from South Africa. Hi, Himesh here, Tanzania. I'm Ludwig from Poland. Shakir from Whiteland. What is Whiteland? Okay, now we can see some reversal down. Okay, so this chart is kind of crazy though, because as we can see, upward movement, downward movement. So as I told you, there is also like the possibility that it will just go like this, right? And now it looks like that. But we have 1 minute till the end of our trade, so let's just wait till it will close, and we will just make our decision. Oh, it's just some. I'm here, Tanzania. Okay, guys. So we just wait. If not, we will just open another one. And at the same time, like it also already achieved here a support level, so it also could reverse. As you can see, it's trying to break this level, but it can't. So this kind of the situation happens, but the catch-up system is just saving us in this kind of the things. So let's see. Okay, we'll open here another trade for already $200 up. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it fluctuates so much, as you can see, just going down, then upward. Yeah, so let's just see. It's kind of the difficult situation, but I'm sure we will do it. Like I'm showing you also like how the catch-up system works at the same time. So it's pretty good. Are you trading NVP tomorrow? What do you mean? I'm late. What amount will be good to deposit in pocket options? So I recommend to start like the, perfect amount of money is $100, of course, because that's how you can raise your balance pretty fast. Also, like you have enough money for a catch-up system, so you're not really worrying about, oh, what if I will not have enough money to close the trade. So this is the most like comfortable one, but at the same time, like if you don't have this kind of the possibility, you can start with like $50 at least. But $50 is the minimum actually that I recommend, because you need to follow the catch-up system somehow, right? So yeah, we're probably not gonna close this trade. So let's find something else. It's just going really, not really that good. So when you see like when the chart is not really going great, it's just better to change it, definitely. Slavius from Tanzania, yeah, see. So let's see what we have here. Oh, here's a pretty good chart. So I will open here, trades. Let's see how it will work. So here we can see everything is pretty easy. Like I will draw for you support and resistance levels. So the previous resistance level is here. Support level is here. Actually, the other resistance level was here, but now it's changed and just break it. So it will probably raise at least till this level. Also on the super trend indicator, we have a buy signal. That's why we opened that. On the parabolic SAR is the same. We can see that the green points of parabolic is moving from bottom to top and it's below the chart. So it's giving us a buy signal as well. So it's already the second one. Also from the momentum, we see that here's the last pin bars is green and they're pretty big already. It's on the level, the last one is on the level 0.69, so it's really nice. And the MACD indicator pin bars is also pretty huge. It's on this level. It's, if to be more clear, 0.00050. So it's also really good, because as you can see, the maximum that we have here is like 0.00123. So it's almost the half of this. And we can see it's above our zero level, and yeah, there's a green pin bars. The two lines of MACD also moving upward in the same direction. So let's just see. You're looking beautiful today. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I mean, you're trading non-farm payroll on the first Friday of the month. No. Only trade in trend markets. That's pretty good decision, definitely. Okay, today something going not really that well, but guys, I'm showing you everything. Oh, okay, we closed the other one. We close it. Okay, perfect. So we close the Catchup, guys, definitely. Because I thought we didn't, but as you could hear by the sound of money, yeah, we did it. Finally, it was pretty dangerous though. Wow, the market, like the charts that we chose is kind of difficult because, for example, as you can see, we were analyzing that the chart was moving upward. It was absolutely obvious. Boom, for one candle, it just went down. No reason. Sometimes it's happening. Lisa's the best. Thank you. Don't be shy. I'm not shy. I'm just saying the thank you words to you. So, okay. We will open here trade for 2 minutes. Let's see. Here is kind of the same situation like before. It was the downward movement for a long time. Here is our resistance level. So it's pretty good chart though. Here's the support level. So right now it's a reversal up. It's on the start of the upward movement. So we can see from the super trend indicator the buy signal, from the parabolic star also the buy signal. The green points is moving from bottom to top. Also on the momentum indicator, we can see that the last 7 pin bars is green, and the last pin bars on MACD indicator also is green, and they are above the zero level, and also the two lines of MACD is moving upward in the same direction. So it's pretty good. Please do trade like you do in voice stream in the group, so we can take trade with. I cannot give you the signals right now. We were trying it on my live streams, but it's not really that convenient because on the YouTube live streams, there is a big delays for about like 15 seconds. So if I will give you a signal like that right now, you will just open it in absolutely different entry point. For example, I will open trade here, you will open it here. And for example, it will close in the middle. I have a profit, you don't. Or just a different situation. I don't know, you have a profit, I don't have. So it's going to be messy, you know. So we were trying on the live streams, you know, I was just sending like the signals in the chat and everything. But for a lot of people, it's kind of difficult. So we just decided that, okay, guys, we're trading in the VIP Club channel. You know, we have trading sessions every day, so please join it. It's free, I remind you, because on the live streams it's just impossible to do. Oh, I'm late, it was sudden. BTS, Bitcoin touched 104,288. Yeah, I know, but we don't trade on currency pairs. We don't trade on crypto. Okay, so it also changed here. Like, it was a pretty good upward movement. Boom, it changed. Oh guys, by the way, let's try the IE trading. Let's just try how it will go. It opened us a trade for, oh no, for 3, 2, 1. IE trading, what are you doing with us? Okay, we will open some new one. Let's see how it will close. Come on, give us our money. No way. IE trading. As you can see, I just click on the button IE trading, and it's doing these things. Crazy. Okay, I will open the next trade up as well for 2 minutes. So it was just some kind of the correction, you see here. Sometimes it's happening like pretty good upward movement, boom, the correction, then again upward movement, again correction, and here it is also. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Today the market is kind of difficult for us because also of the Bitcoin right now, actually, because the Bitcoin news is also a fact on the market, of course, on the trading as well. Yeah, that is correct. Good point, Lisa. You don't trade forex trading? No. No, 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 no. What is the best indicator to use? You know, every time people asking me this question, I'm so confused because I always tell you there is no the best indicator. There is no like 100% profitable best indicator absolutely for everyone. No, it's not exist. So one indicator, like I don't recommend even to choose just one indicator and trade only with this. You always need to mix the indicators, and the indicators you also need to understand this is just one of the way of analyzing the chart. It's just one of the way of technical analysis. So in technical analysis, you could also analyze the chart by the support, by resistance level, by the previous movement of the chart, by the candlestick patterns. Oh, sorry. Guys, sorry, my light just decided to kill me. Okay, fine, thank you. I want to watch it on the video. So there is no best indicator. You should always find something that works better for you. Okay, market today is kind of really crazy. You see how it's going? Like when you would just stop the trade, boom, it started rising. When we open a trade, there is a correction. Oh my God, today is so crazy. Today is so crazy. Okay, but let's just wait. Let's just wait and find something else as well. I think it's just because of a lot of the news of the Bitcoin, and also actually a lot of people is trading on this time. So that's why. 9 to 15 EMA is best. Well, yeah, I have. So about the EMA, well, yeah, it's pretty good, but not for everyone as well. Like for someone, it's not really working that good, you know. Okay, let's find something else. We need to find a chart with a strong upward or downward movement, or with a little bit of volatility. It's not that bad, but it's because we were choosing the markets and charts with the volatility before right now, and you see it's just like changed every time. So of course it's better to find, I don't know, the chart like this, you know, when we see a pretty strong upward movement, but it's pretty rare to find and catch this moment, you know. Boss Lisa is best trader. Guys, you are the best traders. Of course. So. Okay, let's find something else. Okay, it's a pretty good one though, but we have not so much time till the resistance level. So, and I remember we opened here a trade when it just also went down. Boom. Okay, let's open here 2 trades. And we will just go analyze something else. So here, as you can see, I just want to, you know, show you some kind of really crazy examples. For example, this one, guys. Do you think you would choose that? Like this chart? It's not really that bad, by the way. Like, for example, let's analyze it together. So we can see it was the downward movement here, right? I will draw for you the ray here. Here it is. Here is the downward movement. Before, we could see that it was some kind of the upward movement, but most likely like just the big volatility, you know, up and down, up and down, up and down. You can see it by the zigzag indicator. When you don't understand if the market is volatile a lot or not, you just turn on the zigzag indicator. You see this one? So when you see that, it's actually not that bad, especially when you trade on the short-term trades, for example, 1-2 minutes. So for example, you see, okay, this is some upward movement. Okay, I will open here a trade up for 2 minutes and boom, here it is. Like it's, and you will get your profit. Then you see, okay, here's some downward movement. Okay, I will open here a trade for 2 minutes down. Boom, you got your profit. So you always like working, you know, up and down, up and down. You're always changing your directions. So here we also can open a trade. Oh, sorry. But let's open here a trade for like 5 minutes, because it's not OTS market as well. And you can see that volatility here right now is not that big. So what it could mean? It could mean that the direction of our chart could grow like really, really slow. And we can see that the candles here is not that big. We also can, sometimes when you see when you're not sure about the market, you also can turn off to the other time frame of the candles, and here we can see it looks a bit different, but still it's we can see some upward movement definitely here. And on the momentum indicator, we also can see that, okay, before it was the red candles, now it changed to the green candles, so it kind of looks like the start of the upward movement. Of course, it could be just fluctuations or just the price movements. We always have the just choices, but at the same time, like, if you will not try, you will not know, right? So how accurate is 1 2 3 strategy? What do you mean by 1 2 3 strategy? Do you only trade pocket option? Yeah, only pocket option. Which strategy is better for beginners? I think RSI indicator. Here it is. Okay, I will turn it on. I think RSI indicator, because it's pretty easy to understand. And also alligator, yeah. But if you trade on the shorter term trades, like for example 3 minutes, I'm just thinking what to recommend you more. You could choose moving averages, 3 moving averages. I was telling you about this strategy kind of a long time ago. So there you need to choose like 3 moving averages with the different periods. And that's how you can also analyze the trend of the market, So alligator is also pretty good for this, but it's most likely for a longer time frames. Alligator, RSI, and super trend. Yep. Because super trend is really easy to read. Or for example, for the first, you can just use the super trend and RSI, because super trend is just literally giving you a signal. You can see sell, buy, right? But here at the same time, like, we get the buy signal, but we can see that the chart went down. So you need to analyze it more with the other indicators, because it's not always giving you the the right signals. So yeah, and on the RSI, we can also see the oversold and overbought zone. So when we see that the main line of RSI is achieved the level 70, it could mean that it's almost the end of the upward movement and it could reverse. So it means like it's overbought zone, it's too many buyers already, and now they're gonna sell it. So it means like the chart will go lower, and usually we can see it, for example, here. So it was a pretty strong upward movement, you see. I will also draw it for you. It was pretty strong upward movement here, and we can see it on the RSI line. From this moment, it achieved the overbought zone, but it was high pretty long time, you see. And then it achieved the maximum overbought zone, like here it's like 88%, and boom, it started to go lower and it went out of the oversold zone. And we can see actually it's going pretty straight here, so it's most likely like a flat. So you see, right, the chart was just moving in the one direction, and then after this time there was a downward movement appear. Not for so long time, but anyway, pretty good though. Then it was the flat again. And when you see this kind of the flat, you see like it's just moving again in one direction, just like the straight. You could wait for a pretty strong downward or upward movement, as I told you already. And here we can see that, right? Here. I hope you understand my drawings. And here we can see that. So the RSI line is showing you in predicting the future movement of the chart. It's pretty useful. I really like the RSI. It's one of the best. What is iTrading and Pocket Option app? I showed you already, like we lost $4 on the IE trading right now. I was just wanted to show you how it works and it didn't work at all. So yeah guys, we got our profit, the sound of the money. Okay, let's open the new trades. Here also up for 5 minutes. It's going pretty good, and I would probably not gonna risk an open here trade for like 2-3 minutes, because first of all it's also not OTS market, and we can see the candles here is not that big. It could still be some kind of the fluctuations, for example like now, but because of we open the trade just for 5 minutes, it's not gonna be like, you know, it still have a lot of time to fluctuate and just go higher. So yeah, maybe on. Yeah guys, wait a second. Yeah, so it's 4 minutes. Let's see how it will close. Hi Lisa, how do you know which currency pair to take when you are trading? Is dynamic event search necessary here because your trades are used for up and down trade opportunities? So it depends. Of course, you also can choose the currency pairs based on the economic calendar. For example, if you are looking for some specific currency pair, for example Euro USD, and you're checking the news about this and you like to trade on this currency pair, okay, it's gonna be really great. But at the same time, like if you are not really like, you know, deciding, oh, I want to just trade with one currency pair, not OTS market or something else, it's not really that important. The most important thing is to find the chart with the strong upward or downward movement, or with the consistent upward or downward directions as well, or with the volatility but not that much, so you could predict the future movement of the chart. Because for example, if we will open the Euro, wait a second, Euro USD OTS, the most popular one, even though like you will analyze the news of the market, the news of this currency pair of Euro/USD, how would you trade here? just you know, just the question. No how, because the volatility here is crazy and no news will help you with this. It's absolutely, it doesn't make any sense. So the traders who's like, you know, only focusing on one currency pair, it's okay, but at the same time, for some period of time, it's not really that good. It could be nice. For example, let's just take a look. For example, here it was pretty good time to trade on this currency pair because it was a downward movement. Okay, here's some fluctuations, but anyway, if you would open here trade down for 10 minutes or something for 5 minutes, you will definitely close it. Here also some good downward movement. Here is a bit of the volatility, but still up and down for like 5 or 6 seconds, 6 minutes, sorry, each. So it's not that bad. Here also some pretty good upward movement, yeah, with some fluctuations, but anyway, here also pretty good one. Here a flat, don't really, you know, need to trade here. Here not that bad, but a really big volatility, and it always fluctuates, like it's not like before. So we can see here, for example, just a straight movement. So in some period of time, it's not really, it doesn't make any sense to trade on the specific currency pair that you're just looking the news to. So it's better just, for example, you see, okay, this is not a good time for trading on this currency pair, I will find something else. Okay, this is also not really that good. Here, okay, you see that, okay, it was the upward movement before, yeah, with some fluctuations, but right now it looks like the reversal down. So it's pretty consistent. We can see here 5 red candles before. Yeah, we can see some also green candles, and the other indicators is sending us buy signals. Okay, that looks suspicious. I will just try to find something else. Here, okay, I see here was an upward movement, then it achieved its reverse sorry, it achieved this level and now it's reversing down. Yeah, but also you can see some green candle here appear. So for example, I would probably open here a trade for like 5 minutes down. So it will have time to reverse. That's how you analyze the chart. That's how you're looking for the right chart for you. And then, for example, when you choose the chart, you see, okay, situation is pretty good here. What is going on this currency pair? What is the news about it? So what is the predictions of the market, you know? So that's how I usually do. Yeah, we didn't close the previous trade. We will open the next one. For example, here for $100 down, because as I told you, it achieved its resistance level. Now it's going lower. Euro USD is always a buy signal, bullish. Why you have this kind of information? USD GBP is the secondary bearish sell, right? No. It couldn't be always a buy signal. It couldn't be always a sell signal on some currency pair. It couldn't be. It's always the fight between the bulls and the bears. It always the fight. It's always fluctuating. You can see green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle. Because if it was always gonna be like the sell signal, the market will just fall all the time, and there's no point of trading and buying and selling this, like, because if no one is gonna buy, who's gonna sell? There's no point. So it couldn't be just like, oh, some currency pairs always a buy signal, some currency pairs always the sell signal. Are you in hotel room? I'm at home. I'm at my home. Why you ask? I've joined the pocket option with your link and I follow your trade right now. Is that okay? I already told you guys that on the live streams, we don't follow the signals. You don't follow my signals because there's a really big delay. You follow my signals in my VIP club, because there I send you all the signals without any delays. And on the YouTube, there's a delay for like 15-20 seconds, so it's not really that good. So yeah, as you can see, it's going pretty good. It's 3 minutes till the end of a trade. Yeah, let's just wait. It's going down pretty well. So we just wait for this trade to close. What kind of the indicators you also can use? For example, Keltner channel. Some people ask me about this, but actually, it's like showing you the maximum and minimums of the price. But actually, as you can see, it's showing it not really that good, because here is the maximum. Why it's here, right? So I'm not really a big fan of Keltner channel. It's shows a lot of the fake signals. I know some like strategies with this, and I had a video about that, but it's really hard for beginners to follow it as well. So usually, like, sometimes it's showing it pretty good. For example, like here, you see here as well, but it's not giving you too much information though. Like, you can just find the support resistance level. It's going to be easier. Bears bulls power also doesn't really make any sense. I mean, like, it's pretty useful with some of the indicators as well, but I don't really see some point that really, like, I never use that in my trading sessions, but maybe for someone it's going to be fine. The marker is also working kind of the same with the RSI indicator. You can see that they almost look the same. If we go to settings, here we see the period is 14, status of the main line, and level 70 and 30. So level 70 again is the overbought zone, level 30 is the oversold zone. This is the same situation, but we can see that from the marker and RSI, like, they look kind of different. So actually, the marker indicators sometimes also get me wrong. Sometimes it's giving too much fake signals. So that's why I prefer RSI more. It's much more easier to read. Stochastic, also pretty nice. I will explain you now. So you permanently live in Turkey? No, I'm in Bali. I'm in Indonesia right now. I live everywhere, guys. I live everywhere. I get you now. Is it possible to use no indicators? Well, yeah. You don't need to use any indicators when you trade with me because you just follow my signals. You don't need to analyze the market or something else, right? You can use calendar with different settings. I know, of course, but actually the indicators should already be set. Like the original settings of the indicator should already be good. So yeah, guys, we close the trade. And the calendar channel is just showing you the minimum and the maximum of the chart. That's it. But you can just see it by looking at the chart. It's like not that hard. So I don't really see any point of using calendar channel. I don't know any trader that I know that making actually money is trading with the calendar channel for real. Really. I'm just telling you true. Calendar stochastic escalator with zigzag MA. Oh, so many. How can you make trading simple for beginners in terms of entries, time frame you should lose, risk and strategy? I don't really get your question. Text me again. I thought you will leave Turkey before me. Well, I was in Turkey in the end of the September. I was there for like 2 weeks. Nice country. I love it. I will definitely come back there someday. I just don't really have the time right now. I'm just focusing on you guys, of course. Okay, let's open here a trade for 3 minutes up for $50. Does pocket option pays all of your trips? Well, not exactly pocket option. I'm paying all of my trips from the money that I do in the pocket option, if to be more right about this. This pocket option pay all of your trips. It's the most funniest question I ever heard for a long time. Sorry. So yeah. I can actually do it on the other platforms and everything, not only on the pocket option, right? But for me, the pocket option is the most convenient one. I'm trading here for like 4 years, or maybe even more, maybe 5 years already. So for me, just convenient. I know everything here. Here's so many indicators that you can use. A lot of the really cool things, and just the interface and withdrawings, depositing, everything. Like I never had any problem with this. I don't know. I know like some people I heard like they had some problems with the verification or something else, but as I know also from my subscribers experience, everything is fine. Like a lot of the subscribers is topping up their account with like card, and it's really fast, and also they withdrawing to the card and it's like few hours, when other people is selling like on the just in the Google that it's taking like 10 days to get the money to the card. I had a conversation with one of my subscriber on the voice live stream, and he told me like he is always withdrawing to the card and he get the money in just a few hours. So it's even easier. Nice, Lisa, we watch you for Afghanistan. Oh, okay. How can you use timeframes in entire zones risk management? Please use a translator if you want to ask the question, because I don't really. You just have. You want to know how to use time frames, how to use how to entry zone, how to use risk management. Trade what you see, not what you think. Oh my god, I'm not gonna answer on this kind of questions anymore. Sorry, it's crazy. What are you smoking there? Okay, so it's 32 seconds till the end of the trade. It's going pretty well. Oh, I withdraw directly through my bank and then receive the money in 30 minutes. Here it is. So the people that doing everything right, they have everything right, because some people like, oh, why I can't withdraw my money, and then you start asking question and it finds out, yeah, we got our profit, and you find out that they didn't even verify their account. Of course, how you can withdraw the money if you didn't verify your account? I think it's so easy to understand. Like, I'm always telling you about this. I'm always telling everyone, guys, verify your account first so you will not have any problems with withdraw after that. You know what? 30% of people don't listen to anything, absolutely anything. I'm always telling you about, guys, please use 1% of your deposit. You know what? Every third person that trading with me, they do absolutely opposite. They use like 10% of their balance per one trade. And then they're like, oh, you had too many catch-ups. I couldn't close the trade because you just opened too many catch-ups. And I was like, did you use the catch-up system? Like, did you use money management? You use only 1% of deposit? They're like, no, I was using like $10 per trade and I just had $30. So I just had the money for 3 trades. That's the ad. I'm still trying to understand how to tell all of the people, please do this. I'm always telling that, but some people just don't want to listen. And you guys also need to understand, if you're not going to follow the rules, it's going to be really hard for you. It's going to be like, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to just follow simple rules. For example, verify your account. Please use a catch-up system. Please use a money management. Please use 1% of your deposit. But a lot of people want as much money as they can, as fast as possible. And that's the problem. That's why like a lot of people start acting impulsive and just losing their money. And the thing is that they're just, telling other people, oh, it's your fault. But actually it's not. You just need to understand that if you will do everything right, you will not have problems. Your best female trader. I hope you mean this one. Before you withdraw, you should verify. Yeah, that's true. So guys, today was kind of the short live stream. Thank you so much everyone for joining it. I hope you like it. We will have a trading session really soon in my VIP club. So I'm gonna wait for all of you there. It's going to be just a training session, not a voice. So, thank you so much. If you have any questions, you're always welcome in the private messages of my Telegram. And see you soon on the other trading sessions. Bye-bye, guys.